Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on how to repair screw pops in drywall. This is a new construction home. We're about 2 years in and now I'm starting to get some screw pops coming through the drywall. So really the only tool you don't even need any screws. Take your screw gun and try to find the center right here. We can see it, of the screw pop. Clue this one's going to be more difficult. There it is. Pop it out. Go a little bit higher or lower. Try to catch that same stud. You don't want to go too far. That may even be a little too far, to be honest with you. So let me back it out. Go a little lower. Try to do it correctly. Perfect. And now come back with a blade, spackle knife, clear off. What I like to do is I take the back side of it, create a little indentation where I can then add a little spackle. Just come in, try to get a better angle here. Fill that in, put it in, take it off in a different direction, and you can leave it like this. A lot of guys will, but this is going to dry and you're going to have to put another coat on. What you can do is go a little bit heavier if you're decent with the knife, and just try to press in as much as you can and get a nice little, doesn't have to be perfect. One thing I've learned about spackling is just gotta know when to walk away. Just leave it like that. Worst case, we come back, we sand it down a little bit, and if we have to, we put a real nice thin coat on it, let it dry. It'll take 15 minutes and then sand it off, and you're ready for paint. 2 coats, since it's spackle or primer. I use a primer all-in-one, so I'll put 2 coats on this, and you'll be ready to go, and you'll never see that. Hope this helps.